In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sound and Vibration. Then tap on Vibration at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Then scroll all the way down, click on More Sound Settings, and tap on Haptic Feedback Vibration Duration. Now you can adjust it thanks to this slider. Save your changes by hitting OK. Restore default settings by hitting Default, or cancel your changes by clicking on Cancel over here. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back, click on Vibration and Haptics and tap on this switcher at the top to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can click on all of those switches next to all of those features to manage haptic feedback for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!